And here we go for another week of everything asteroids. Let me say there's a lot going on. As you see, the Asteroid Art Factory is now live. And what this is a tool that allows you to create AI images and, of course, then inscribe them directly on the hub. Everything is here. Of course, you're going to use Asteroid Protocol for that. The full walkthrough is here. Super simple to use, guys. It's so simple. As a matter of fact, you can listen to this video, which details every step right here. You can also read the entire thread if you want to go step by step and figure it out. But if you just simply look at this image right here, you'll find all of the 5 major steps that you'll need to complete in order to have your collection created, for one, and then inscribed. So it's super cool for anybody who's into AI art. If you don't have a subscription to any other AI software, perhaps this is a great way. And of course, you simply top up your account using Atom. So do check that out. It's created by ThorDAO, and you guys will love it. It's super cool. Let's move on to something that's also very interesting. And it seems to be kind of, inscriptions are permeating the interchain, because we've got this idea here. As you see, Redphone has chimed in on his ideas and his thoughts on this proposal for Asteroid Protocol to essentially store JPEGs and such on the Cosmos Hub for good cross-chain interoperability. Oh goodness, guys, it's looking really promising, really positive. I would recommend reading this particular post by Curious J and read on Arc Protocol's responses and so forth. So let us know what you guys think. There is a proposal out there. You should definitely chime in and let us know what you think. Do you think inscriptions can support the interchain in a way, and essentially can Asteroid Protocol provide services for interchain NFTs, so much more? Just dive in. I'm so curious to see how this goes. I want to see stuff in Passage. I mentioned that in a previous video as well. So much cool stuff, guys. Let's dive in a little bit deeper. So, of course, for the incentives over on Neutron, so for anybody who's bridged over assets, for example, specifically CFT20s such as Roids and many others, well, you can see that the Roids and Atom LP over on Astroport is still on the top. It's at the top, guys. So the APR, combined APR, is really nice. And let's dive in a little bit deeper, because there are so many ways that you can get Atom. And of course, there's a complete guide in this post right here. So, whether it's EVM or Solana, and in some cases, I'm sure more chains will be usable. You can, of course, use Skip Protocol, and you can bridge your assets over, swap them over, and grab yourself some Atom, then go to the marketplace on Astroport or even on Asteroid Protocol with your Atom and buy some Roids and many other CFT20s, such as the Atom 1K, a lot of CFT20s that you can buy and either create pools over on Astroport, permissionless incentives. So if you're looking for more videos on permissionless incentives, how to create them, how to do them, definitely head over to our YouTube channel. And of course, you can find us on X as well if you search the right keywords. But you want to head over to the playlist section and of course go to guides and look for that video on permissionless incentives, because it's going to show you how to bridge. It's going to show you how to deploy maybe a token. It's going to show you how to dive into LPs and provide liquidity, and you can earn rewards. So for example, we've got some bubbly rewards. You've got a bunch of other rewards, as you see. And as you see in this image right here, created by one of the community members, you'll see that there is a limited amount of time left for receiving these rewards, right? And those are permissionless incentives. So that means anybody can create incentives and add them to any pool, essentially, which allows everybody and anybody to receive other bonuses. And so I want to see more CFT20 tokens. Of course, those are Cosmos fungible tokens in these pools, no matter how you get it, whether it's through buying Atom on Neutron, Astroport, or buying Atom within Asteroid Protocol. Is totally your choice. Let's continue on. More community stuff. Of course, a cool website was just created, and bounties. So many cool functions here. So many cool features here. Anybody who's minted the Cosmos Worms, check it out. It's on the current launch pad, of course, on Asteroid Protocol. And there are many collections coming out, lots of creators doing cool things over here. I just love to see it. Community members who've been involved and who pretty much aren't giving up. Some of the collections have minted out totally, as you see, and I look forward to seeing more active users. Of course, why not? More active collections and such. But here's a really interesting giveaway for some of you. If you want to receive, maybe win a Bad Kids and some other really interesting NFTs, definitely head over to this website right here. That is a collection right over here. So people who mint those have a great chance of winning various collections from many different creators. So for example, super quickly, if I head over to the main page and I just kind of see some of the collections, some of these collections, whether they're trending or they're in the top or new, some of these collections actually are going to be part of the giveaway for this one. So that's just another community member essentially creating some value for the community. So let's cheer them on. Now, in case you missed it, guys, there are two major numbers I want to show. So we've got a lot of inscriptions on the Cosmos Hub. Yes, I said it, inscriptions on the Cosmos Hub, right? So over 8 mil, as you see right there. And we got some source information right there as well. Tons of inscriptions coming through. And as well, we've got a lot of tokens. So many, over 5,000 or just about 5,000 tokens have been created. These CFT20 tokens can be used for so many things, again, in Astroport for so much. It's up to you guys. We've used these tokens for a lot of different things. And of course, you can deploy your own tokens and trade right over on Asteroid Protocol. Super simply click tokens and you'll head over to the marketplace and see what is on sale, what's available. And of course, you can also go to Astroport. So guys, check us out again. Like I said, if you're on X, and if you're watching this on YouTube, it doesn't matter. Subscribe to the channel. Why not dive in, give it a like, share some stuff with your friend. And if you're looking for specific guides or specific updates or any information and creator spotlights, which we should have a few more coming in the next couple of weeks, we should have some more. I love to see those. I love to do those. Of course, subscribe to the channel, like I said. And if you're already on YouTube and you're not on X, then you ought to come and check us out over here on X and dive in to this crazy tool. Again, it's so simple to use. The step-by-step walkthrough is perfectly, in time and in sync with everything you guys need. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Until next time, guys, take it easy.